Are you planning to travel by train in France? The first sentence you absolutely need to know is this one. Je voudrais un billet pour aller de Paris à Lyon. I'd like a ticket from Paris to Lyon. In this example, the departure city is Paris and the arrival city is Lyon. Lyon is the third most populous city in France. Its cuisine and some of its neighborhoods are listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Je voudrais un billet pour aller de Paris à Lyon. Or, to put it more simply, je voudrais un billet Paris-Lyon. Repeat. Je voudrais un billet Paris-Lyon. As in English, you need to specify whether it's a one-way or a return ticket. In French, you say un aller simple for one way. Repeat. Un aller simple. Notice that ER is pronounced E, and IM is pronounced un in this word. Un aller simple. So, it does. Je voudrais un billet aller simple Paris-Lyon. You can even remove the billet and just say je voudrais un aller simple Paris-Lyon. Now for the return ticket in French. In French, it's un aller-retour. And practice the E sound again. Un aller-retour. Repeat. Bien joué!